The public is being warned to look out for stolen meat on the market that may not be fit for consumption. Some farmers in Cave Valley are now up in arms with their local police after thieves have been slaughtering their animals. Shamela Pullen has this report.
The most recent incident happened 2 weeks ago in Cave Valley, St. Anne, where thieves slaughtered a number of cows belonging to Andrew Brown.
They come and kill some of the animals around, kill one for me and one for Mass Dip, and few get away just the same. But from a long while now they've been doing that.
And he's not the only one who has been losing animals to thieves. But the farmers are even more concerned because the meat, which is not safe for consumption, is being sold to unsuspecting people.
Basically when they come at times they don't take like one, if it was just one, but sometimes they take 5, 6, 7, 8, all different figures, then they'll stop at a total.
Some calf is to be delivered like next week, tomorrow, sometime. And this morning you go, there's a calf on the ground, jumping same way in the stomach. And people eating these meat. Come on, man, have a heart.
They're also accusing the police of inaction when reports are made.
Poor people are crying out, we are sufferers, we are not rich. We are just mere farmers. Just hand to mouth, right? My husband don't even own a car. It's a bicycle him ride. And I walk him every day to the field. Every day I have to walk to the field, morning and evening, right? To and fro. And this is what they are doing to us. They need to stop.
We need help. And when we say help, we need help from the authority.
In response, head of the St. Anne Police Senior Superintendent Dwight Powell says since the start of the year, the Cave Valley Police have only received 2 reports relating to Praedial larceny.
So I want to use the opportunity to say to the citizens, especially in Cave Valley, if they have the view that the report are not being appreciated by the police, then my office at St. Anne's headquarters stand ready and willing to appreciate these reports.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.